Hello friends, this is Dr. P.R. Chaudhary from KK College of Agriculture. Today we will be studying about medicinal plants. Over 3/4 of the world population mainly relies on plants and their extracts for the health needs. Various types of medicinal properties are found in different species of plants. More than 30% of the entire plant species at one time or other were used for medicinal purposes. So we know from ancient times in India, plants have been used for their medicinal purposes. The traditional system of medicine continued to be widely practiced on many accounts. Indian system of medicine, namely Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha and folk tribal medicines are the major systems of indigenous medicinal uses of plants. So we have different medicinal systems from our ancient times, and all these medicinal systems use different plants for the indigenous medicinal purposes. In India, almost all known medicinal plants can be cultivated in different agroclimatic conditions. So this is the most important point. Because of the different varied agroclimatic conditions, we can cultivate different types of medicinal plants in India. India has almost 9,500 registered herbal industries. So you can imagine so many industries will be generating various employment opportunities also. India ranks second in export of medicinal plants and has monopoly in production of psyllium and senna, and is the second largest exporter of opium latex. So India has monopoly. That means only in India psyllium and senna are grown, and India is also the second largest exporter of opium latex. Opium is used for drug preparation. There are also several constraints in cultivation and processing of medicinal plants in India. Example, India exports only raw material and not finished drugs, resulting in less value. We all know that raw material has less value and fetch less price as compared to the processed products. Another problem is many medicinal plants are gathered from wild, leading to the extinction of medicinal plant wealth. In India, most of these medicinal plants are grown in forest areas or in wild, and the people collect it from their wild habitat, leading to the extinction. So care should be taken for proper cultivation of medicinal plants and their propagation. Deforestation, shifting cultivation, overgrazing and overexploitation are also posing threat to the biodiversity of medicinal wealth in our country. We all know as the population is increasing, it is leading to more deforestation. Also, people in tribal areas practice shifting cultivation. That means they use a patch of land, forest land, clear the forest area and do cultivation. And after few years, they move to a new patch of forest land and again clear that forest area. So this is also leading to loss of biodiversity of medicinal wealth in India. So this was a short video on the importance and problems faced in medicinal plant cultivation. Thank you.